clean down the cabinets, declutter anything that I don't need. Come with me. This is what is remaining that doesn't really fit over here. Like, I really love this aesthetic now. I don't know why I never thought of just arranging it like this. It looks so good. I love it. Let's hear what Malang will say. Malang, how does this look? Let's continue. I think I'm going to dispose this. All this I don't need. Like, my children never loved bottles. Gone. I'm going to find them a new home. The cup of this broke. I bought this in Paris long time ago. It's a cover of a cup, but the cup broke and that's what it's left. These are sweets from Gambia. Yeah, I brought them, so they're just almost done. I think I'm going to throw this as well because even the lid is missing, and I think it doesn't work anymore. It doesn't keep anything hot. So this activities post, this is Baba's very important little kettle for making attire. Gambians in the house, Senegalese, you know what I'm talking about. Attire. Let's go to this one that I don't like because it's it will be a headache to do. Baba just arranged it when we were in Gambia. It was in April. This is how it looks already. Like, this is our problem zone.
What happened, Maya?
Off I go. I think I'm going to do shelf per shelf so that because I don't have a lot of space over here. So I'm going to do one shelf, clean, put them back like that. This is cover that my children don't appreciate. This are Kenyan tea bags that I barely drink. I don't like this caramel and the black tea. This is a bit too bitter. I don't understand why it doesn't taste bio organic. I mean, this cafe visa, my husband bought a tea, really uses it. And this Indian chai that I bought from a supermarket that I don't really go to doesn't really taste nice. This honey has got to go. I don't know how long it has been here, but it has to go. This pudding, oh, you can make pudding, but I don't know if it's good. Oh, it's long expired. Declutter, all these tea bags. Oh, okay, I need these chamomile ones. Yeah, we are going to buy. That one is expired. Baking powder is open. I have to throw because I don't know how long it has been. And the OG Kenyans, you know, you know. This is my lifesaver. If I don't have black tea, I run to this. So this is how it looks like. Disgusting. I don't like it. These are things that I just have to throw because look, 2022. I normally buy things and look, a whole packet of nori is gone. Like, why do I always do this? Oh, and this one, 2021. Yeah. These, I have had them for so long, I won't even check the date. Let me just throw them. This coconut, I can see 2023 October. Okay, they're still good. Then we have loads of vanilla sugar. This I bought in Gambia. I didn't really use it. I don't know why.
Long time when I was a baby.
Yeah. I think I didn't use because I didn't know what the ingredient was. I don't know why I bought Habatu soda. I bought it for fibroids. I don't know what it was. Petit cola. Is it cola nut or it expires 2023? Oh, and I can still drink it. Okay. All these are expired or reverse. 2021. Yo. Okay. See, there's a new packet. 2023. This one is new, not open. What is for making sushi? Ask me when I did it, but inshallah I'm going to make some sushi with malang.
Yeah.
So what is this? It has to be some porridge, some kind of porridge, but yeah, it doesn't have any date anywhere. I can't even, nothing. So I think just to be on the safe side, I'm going to throw it. These are mostly that I bought, I don't know when. 2021. They have to go. Oh my god, this embarrassing. This one I know. This one we just Baba just bought it the other day when we ate the mother last. All this have to go. Can't you believe it? Can't you believe it? This has to go as well. Imagine, from all those things, only this are remaining. Only this. Do you see the importance of decluttering? I don't know why I never thought about this. So I'll put this back up there. So this is what it looks like. Then I go to the next one. This is clean already. The good thing with these cabinets, they're really easy to clean. You can see how empty they look now. Subhanallah. So as I said earlier, my children don't love drinking anything, even though this will be okay till November of this year. It's goat milk. This I'm going to keep. This I bought. Sesapila tea is good for iron, increasing your iron. I need to drink more. It doesn't have any date. Oh, Apple of 2018. Oh my goodness. Yo, this is sugar that we, let me take it, but she'll feel it. Yeah, I can fill it up. Just bought, they are 2024. I just bought this. Oh, Baba just bought this. Hi, you remember the video that you watched of me making breakfast, and then my Baba took me to Zara. This is when he brought it. This is some green tea that is okay, I know that for sure. And this is just some berry tea that I bought for the children or just for all of us. This ginger tea, Baba brought them. Yeah, it's been best before December 2023, so they're still okay. This white chocolate is not okay. We use it for baking. Whoa, I'm just going to put in these tea bags that don't have, you know. No, madam. I'm just going to put the teas here that don't have the original packages, and they'll be good. They will put away in a better manner. Imagine, just from this 1 hour decluttering, all this has to go. All this needs to go. It's just extra. Well, apart from this, or minus this, but all this stuff over here have to go. So the other place was a problem. This is now worse. It has gone from bad to worse. I want to cry because this is a mess and I am getting tired. It's 2 o'clock already and I started at 11:30. I'm so overwhelmed at this point. Oh my god, but I have to keep pushing. This is one of the last, among the last cupboards. I still have 1, 2, 3 more. Or should I first do let me do here first. Like this pot, I have to throw it away. Like, what is this? It's embarrassment. And I don't know if I should put these pots over here, like with the lids on top, because I know I'm going to regret when I need this pot and have to remove all these heavy lids. I need to buy this Amazon organizing rack where you can place the lids. I think that's better because I have a lot of space. It's just things like this that I don't need. Like, please, we finished this ice cream like ages ago. Like, what is this doing here? You're gone. I don't know. I don't even know what this is for. Like, please, like, what are they? Oh, I remember. It's for grilling. Oh. These ones are the ones that are going to be disposed. I'm going to store them somewhere else. These baskets are a mess. I'm going to have to do them. This I'm keeping. This I'm keeping. What the heck? This I have to throw. Oh my goodness, what is this? Baba's thing for his shake. He has been searching for this thing for almost half a year. Look.
Yeah, it's Baba's thing.
This is icing for the cake, but I don't think it has to be good because it's like a month old or so. But I don't need it.
This is Baba's thing for his water.
So this I don't have to declutter. This had, what did it have? Lettuce. I'm going to buy more and refill. This has this very tasty Oreo cornflakes, or I don't know what to call them. They're really, really, really tasty. This is sweet potato chakri that my husband really loves. He loves chakri. This is crossbread. So I'm going to remove these batteries. This is shea butter that I'm supposed to put in hot water so it can become creamier. The fridge, I'm sorry I cleaned it and filled it without you guys because it was too much work, and we normally go shopping in the evening and I don't really have time. That's a rice cup. Just added citric acid. This one here. And I was washing the cup actually. I soaked it yesterday, so, but then after I poured the water and whatnot. So today I'm cleaning the dishes. Right now you can see the soap everywhere. It's not even 3 minutes gone. Look. I don't even know how I'm going to show you. Look. Huge.